Now with 11 Labs, you can create a WhatsApp AI agent that can receive calls and respond exactly the way you want it to be. Okay, welcome guys. Welcome to 11labs.io. So here is where we are going to do this. So all you need to do is go to here, click over here and select agents platform. This is where we are going to do the agents for our WhatsApp, because this one is a creative platform where you can use voice changer or you can use text to voice. It has multi-language options also, so I won't be going through this. We'll be going on to the agents platform now. Okay, so first thing what we need to do is we need to create an agent first, because that is the first thing which we have to do. So for that we click over here, new agent, and you have two options. One is blank and one is personal assistant and one is business. If you click on the business, you will get lots of option which matches your requirement. But let's do something personal, like that's what I would like to try. So we'll click on personal, and because I'm in a creative field, so I'll be using creative helper. So you can name it whatever you want, because my previous one was creative director, so that's why I gave creative director. And here we need to give the main goal what we want, because it won't be here, it will be like this: describe what you want your agent to accomplish when you click on the new. Because this one came because I had used this same format before, that is why it came. So all you need to do is whatever role you want the agent to be performing when someone calls, you have to give that over here. And there is an option called chat only, which will be only a chat response and it won't be having a audio. So we need to try it in audio only. So let's do this. So I create agent. It takes some 10-50 seconds. Okay, so here we go. This is our agent, and this has all the details. So it will be using Gemini 2.5, which is here. We can see it here. Like the LLM is Gemini, or you can select anything you want. If it is a Gemini GPT 5.1 or Claude or whatever is compatible, whatever is easy for you guys, you can use it. And you can see the money, how much it is, like for 3 seconds how much dollar it is charging. But I'll be using Gemini 2.5 Flash because that's what I am most comfortable with. And here you can change the language also. If it's Hindi, English or anything, you can select. Sorry, there is no Hindi. Yeah, there is Hindi. Sorry, my bad. Okay, there is Hindi. You can select Hindi, English or Malayalam, whichever language you wanted to try it on. Then here we have lots of audio options, vocal options, which you can use. You can search for and you can get it. So I'm using Eric for this file. So all you need to click is, because we didn't made any change, so we don't need to click publish. So this part is done. So now is the main important part, which is like, so here we already have our agent called creative director. So now we go to WhatsApp. Now here is the main thing. It's very simple. All you need to do is import account. You have to connect your meta onto this and click continue and select whatever is your business profile, and you need to create a WhatsApp business, like you will need to create a WhatsApp business account. Then click over here. So you had done the half the thing. So now how we can now let's check it on our call. We'll dial from our phone and we'll see how it works. Hi, I'm looking for a social media ad campaign idea for the new Tesla Model 3. The campaign should be digital first, focused on Instagram and short form video. Target audience is young urban professionals. Can you give me a creative concept, key message, and content format suggestions?
Absolutely. Let's dive into this. For the Tesla Model 3, we could create a campaign called City Pulse. The concept revolves around the idea that the Model 3 is not just a car, but a lifestyle choice that syncs perfectly with the rhythm of urban life. The key message could be drive the future, live the now. highlighting the car's innovative features and its appeal to forward thinking individuals. For content formats, we could use short, dynamic videos showcasing the Model 3 navigating through iconic cityscapes, emphasizing its sleek design and advanced technology. Instagram stories and reels would be perfect for this, allowing us to create engaging, bite sized content that captures attention quickly. We could also incorporate user generated content by encouraging owners to share their own City Pulse experiences with the Model 3, creating a community driven aspect to the campaign. What do you think of this direction?
Oh, that's really fantastic direction. I really loved it. Thank you so much.
That's wonderful to hear. I'm glad we're on the right track. Now let's dig a bit deeper into City Pulse. When you envision those short dynamic videos, what kind of visual aesthetic comes to mind? Are we talking sleek, high tech shots or something more lifestyle oriented, showing the professionals interacting with the car and their daily urban routines? Understanding this will help us refine the visual storytelling.
This we will talk about it later. Thank you so much because this one is a demo which I want to show it to the people. So thank you so much because I'm just screen recording this and this is really amazing tool to be in.
That's excellent. I'm thrilled to know this is proving valuable for your demo. It's always rewarding to see our collaborative efforts come to life. Whenever you're ready to dive back into the specifics of the City Pulse campaign, whether it's visual aesthetics, script ideas, or even exploring AI tools for content creation, I'll be here to help push those ideas further. Just let me know when you'd like to pick up where we left off.
Thank you. Okay, so this is a huge advantage for a business that want faster response, lower support costs, and 24 by 7 availability.